Hi, English learners. Today, we have something special for you. We're going to learn 50 simple questions and answers between a mother and her daughter, perfect for daily conversations. This will help you speak English more naturally and confidently. So, make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our new lessons. Without further ado, let's jump right in.
Good morning, sweetie. Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom, I slept very well.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. What's for breakfast?
Do you want some eggs and toast?
Yes, please. I love eggs.
Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet. I will do it now.
What time does your school start?
It starts at 7:30.
Do you have your homework?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Do you need help with anything?
No, Mom, I'm okay.
Where are your shoes?
They're under the table.
What do you want for lunch?
Can I have some rice and chicken?
How was school today?
It was fun. I played with my friends.
Did you learn something new?
Yes, we learned about animals.
What is your teacher's name?
Her name is Miss Lena.
Did you eat your lunch?
Yes, it was yummy.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, I have math homework.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please. I don't understand it.
What are you drawing?
I'm drawing a cat.
Can I see your drawing?
Sure, Mom. Here it is.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Yes. Can we watch a cartoon?
What's your favorite color?
Pink. I love pink.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Are you tired?
A little bit, Mom.
Do you want to take a nap?
Yes, please.
What do you want for dinner?
Can we have noodles?
Can you help me set the table?
Of course, Mom.
Did you feed the cat?
Oh, I forgot. I'll do it now.
What book are you reading?
It's a fairy tale.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
What do you want to do this weekend?
I want to go to the park.
Do you want to bake cookies with me?
Yay! Yes, I do.
What did you draw at school today?
I drew a house and a tree.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I love singing.
Can you sing me a song?
Okay.
Are you ready for bed?
Not yet. Can I play a little?
What toy do you want to play with?
My doll, please.
Do you want me to read you a story?
Yes, please, Mom.
Which book should I read?
The one with the princess.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, Mom. Just a little sleepy.
Do you want a glass of water?
Yes, thank you.
Can you clean your room?
Okay, I will clean it now.
What is your favorite food?
I love spaghetti.
Do you want to go shopping with me?
Yes, I like shopping.
What do you want to buy?
I want a new book.
Can you tie your shoes by yourself?
Yes, I can do it.
Did you enjoy your day?
Yes, it was a good day.
What's your favorite animal?
I like rabbits.
Can you count to 10?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What do you wear to school?
I wear my uniform.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you so much.
Good night, sweetheart.
Good night, Mom. I love you.